subscribers. Today I'm gonna eat this balut. Oh,
You na.
It's
a watermelon.
And I asked them to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel.
Drink the soup.
Here we go.
Wait lang.
What does it taste like?
Should be like this.
Okay,
Hi,
Oh,
kawawa siya. And then you feel And then there's a soup. Pipil lang konti. Ayan o. Yung liquid.
tastes yummy.
Taste yummy.
The soup is nice and I like
There's a baby egg inside.
Drink more of the soup.
Just where does it go?
Don't ka.
My kuya's also vlogging.
Put some
I don't
small
even have my iPad. But that's Tita Boss phone.
sour suka.
Go na. Did you finish the soup? Wait. Healthy, you know. Oh, you say hi.
That's why I tried to
You introduced Brielle. Oh,
This
you
is
want
my
Brielle?
baby sister.
Hi. Okay.
Go eat na.
Eat the yellow one. Eat
I'll
Eat everything.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Okay.
I make it 9 over
Great.
10.
Go.
More soup? More soup pa. Sip
The
it.
soup.
There's
Teach you how to eat it. Okay, this is the soup, right?
Okay, the
Okay.
soup.
So we're gonna open it. Oh no, you're wearing your pajamas.
This
So
is
there's
the
the
baby
duck.
chicken.
Baby duck.
Baby
There.
chicken.
You want to taste the
Sorry, baby
open it.
chicken.
Or just the egg yolk? Oh, this is the egg.
Good job. You put some salt in it there, oh. That's more yummy. But I
This
like
is the baby chicken.
yummy kuya. Look like it, oh.
This is just the yolk. This is the baby duck.
Do you like it so much, oh? You're so bright.
This is
Want to taste the baby
baby
duck?
chicken.
Sorry, baby chicken.
It's just like eating egg. I guess yolk also, but this one is a little, I don't know.
If you want
Like
to
this, oh.
have...
10 out of 10. You can add vinegar. You want vinegar?
I
It's
don't
good.
know what to rate it.
Is it yummy?
10 out of I don't know na lang.
Okay. Oh, this one is with vinegar.
No, I don't want vinegar.
I don't.
I'll eat that
Mm.
one, that orange one.
Eat.
I want to eat by my own.
You eat.
Where's my ano? Eat
Mm.
it. Eat it first.
It's good.
Yep. First. It's my
Sorry,
first
baby chicken.
time. Let's taste this.
Oh, it's good for you.
Let's try it. This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
This is baby chicken.
Look at this,
the baby chicken.
It's like you're just eating chicken but small.
Oh, look, I found it.
Mm.
I saw the leaf.
Put some. Eat.
Oh, so sad. No, now I know how to read.
Mami, gusto mo?
Same 6.
6 of.
Ay, there's soup.
Oh my gosh.
Eat na kuya. Finish it. So may round 2.
Look at what's
Put another soup in
inside.
it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that's the inside part.
You wanna put some suka?
Eat it.
Kulit naman ako. Eat the yellow one.
Yummy, so yummy.
This one is yummy.
I make it 10 over
this
question
one.
mark, question
This one
mark,
is hard.
question mark.
It's the
Bakit
kidney.
question mark?
Hard. Oh, the right one is hard.
But it's yummy.
Oh, but this one is yummy.
That's the
It's
kidney.
yummy. Ano pa niyo?
This one, do you think it's human
This the
kidneys,
chicken.
diba? Wait lang. I'll take it. Excuse me.
Mm.
I was supposed to. But it's wet.
You wanna eat more? Na, eat that one.
Diba? It's yummy.
Mm.
No way.
Oh, this one. Taste it. The baby duck.
Sorry,
Can I
baby.
take the sisig?
So very masarap.
Sorry, baby.
Very masarap.
Magpa-sorry lang yung sisig.
You know what's this? Okay, alam natin spoon.
Look at this
You know
one.
food.
Mm.
So this is a lot. Oh, there's that
Mm.
one.
Oh, you
Hey,
finished
just
it na.
excuse me. This is my bag.
Oh, the soup is here. Oh, finish the soup.
Come on.
I didn't think
Is
a
it
little
like this?
flour.
Oh, stop na the vlog. Stop na the vlog. Say thank you, vlog.
Wait, wait, wait. Mm.
Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.